BuildIT Projector 2021 introduces the new Instant Projection Workbench, a streamlined workflow to go from importing a CAD model to projecting in no time. You can now control BuildIT and the projector from a mobile device, such as a phone or tablet. Perform alignments, view your CAD, and run through a projection plan, all within your mobile device. BuildIT Projector 2021 brings back the ability to control a projector with a gamepad remote control, providing smooth and tactile control of the laser scan box. We have implemented the ability to run automated processes on a projection layer, opening up the BuildIT platform to integrate and interact with the rest of your workflow.